ultimately what it comes down to is in this era, we have to take photos, we have to prove our work for liability, whether that's communicating internally or externally with your client, right? But if you don't have a system to organize those photos, document correctly, and easily make those visuals accessible for whoever needs them, then they're not worth snapping that photo at all. CompanyCam is a mobile app that sits across your phones or your employees' phones, anybody that would be snapping a photo. And then back in the office, you can log into CompanyCam. And in general, the process is that the moment you go out maybe to do a site survey and you have to snap photos, right? You just open up CompanyCam. It drops a pin exactly where you're located at that project and creates a project folder for you. Now that project folder lives in the cloud, and throughout the entire duration of that job from beginning, middle, end, you're going to be snapping your photos, your videos, and they're all going to be uploaded into the cloud under the correct location and project. And every single photo is tagged with the time, the date, and who took that photo from your company as well. So instantaneously, from one single click, the work is done for you, and you can access those whenever you need them. And like I said, we're cloud-based, so the moment that you snap those photos, and Erin kind of said that, the moment that you snap those photos, they're automatically going to go back to the office so that you can see in live time what's going on. With CompanyCam, you can draw all over your photos automatically the moment that you snap a photo. You can add measurements, and then we even have a texting tool so you can actually communicate in live time with your team. Automatically select the photos that you want in a report. We section it out for you. We create a really nice cover photo, and then you can add any summaries or text that you want, and then it automatically puts it into a PDF for you to share. You snap all your photos in CompanyCam, and then say maybe you want to upload them to your Facebook site, right? So automatically, wherever it says you can upload a photo or attach a photo in any software, truly, that you log into, CompanyCam will pop up, the extension will pop up. You just choose the project you are working out of, you choose the photos, and they automatically upload. Trying to make it simple and easy. We have everybody at least get 2 weeks for free to test it out. We onboard your team, we jump on Zoom, train everybody. And the cool thing about it is we try to keep it as user-friendly as possible. So really you can be up and going with CompanyCam in less than 5 minutes.